What is up, everybody? Hunter with Lost Socket Garage. It's really bright right there. Today we're taking a look at a project car that we just purchased. Yeah, let's take a look. All right, so I get a lot of requests, a lot of emails from people that they're just looking for a car. They're looking for either a car to swap to Coupe to Fastback, or they're just looking for one of our Fastback rollers. So today I'm showing you something a little bit different. We actually picked up a running and driving car for once. We drove it onto the trailer. Isn't that crazy? We drove a car onto a trailer. We didn't have to winch it, didn't have to push it, just drove it. All right, let's check. So, this car is a really good candidate for a conversion. That's why we picked it up. But the cool part about this car, it is running and driving, has a built 302, already has a Sniper fuel injection kit on it. It's got a nice big radiator on it. We just started it up. It starts right up. It does have front wheel disc brakes on it. Drums in back, but I'll give you kind of a look. Now keep in mind, everything, once we're done, everything from this half of the car back is going to be Fastback. So we're going to take the vinyl roof off. Hate vinyl roofs. When you're looking for a Fastback, a couple of things to look for here real quick. Kind of do a dual video on things to look for. It's okay if your coupe looks like this around the wheel wells. That's fine. Those are getting cut off anyway. If you have damage to the rear quarters, that's fine. Deck lid, that's fine. Tail panel, any rust back here you don't have to worry about because you're going to be cutting it anyways. I think a big thing to look for on these is going to be the torque boxes. Now I'm not going to crawl under this right now to show you the torque boxes, but the torque boxes are actually good on this. The reason torque boxes are a big deal is because they're a pain in the ass to actually replace. They're not expensive, but they're a pain in the ass. So let's see if we can get a shot of one in here. So all of this is coated. So what we're gonna do with this car is we're gonna strip all this crap down and we're gonna make sure that there's no additional rust. This car is going to come with a couple of things that we'll actually end up doing to it. We're gonna do all the metal work on this car. After that, we're gonna throw an American auto wire wiring harness into it to update it to the new style fuses. Basically with this car, we are gonna be selling this car, and the end product of selling this car, it's gonna be turned into a Fastback. It'll have the new wiring harness in it. It's gonna run and drive. We'll throw in the back glass and the door glass as well. It's gonna be ready to paint. We will actually end up epoxy primering the car for you. This is an interesting one because it actually came with a front bench seat. Now the upholstery's messed up, but the bench seat is a pretty rare option. The front bench seat is a rare option in these Mustangs. But yeah, it's got a nice little stereo system in it. It's got a little microphone there for your taking calls and stuff. Interior is actually pretty good. Carpet kit's good. Back seat doesn't matter because we're going to be, you have to have a Fastback fold down seat for that anyway. Package tray. All in all, this is an awesome little car. Definitely leave a comment below with any suggestions on what we should do with the car. Like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. If you're interested in purchasing this car, shoot us an email at lostsocketgarage@gmail.com. Try to do it soon though, before we get too far into this, because then we can actually tailor make this car for you. So if you say, hey, I don't like the stock tail lamp panel, or you know, hey, I want to do a rear end or modernize suspension in it, do that, or mini tubs especially. Give us a call before, because we can actually customize this car for you if you are looking for Shelby bits, side scoops, you know, tail panel, rear ends, all that good stuff. So hit us up, lostsocketgarage@gmail.com. Until next time, don't be a dick, do what you love, keep driving. Peace.